Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Soros's classes, and today I am solving RBI grade B DSIM, that means Department of Statistics and Information Management। उसी का जो एक पेपर है पेपर 2 का डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स का सॉल्यूशन, प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, एनी ऑफ दैट, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, प्लीज कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस नंबर। Dr. Services himself will reply to your query individually through WhatsApp। और आपको तो सभी को तो पता ही है, स्टैटिस्टिक रिलेटेड कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए सोर्सेस क्लास इज द बेस्ट कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन इन इंडिया है। अगर आप में से कोई एग्जामिनेशन के लिए प्रिपरेशन लेना चाहते हैं और हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट फॉर दिस कोर्स। This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 4b। क्वेश्चन 4b में क्या बोला है? इस क्वेश्चन का दो ठो पार्ट है। फर्स्ट पार्ट में बोला है assume a regression model y equals to beta naught plus beta 1 x plus e and n observations. Prove that the regression of sum of square beta 1 cap square summation of x minus x bar square. So how can I prove this? So give an estimation for that data y minus y bar, and their total n equals to 10 observations, and what is, let's find. So what is yi? Yi means here dependent variable. Yi means dependent variable, and xi means what? Xi means independent variable, and beta naught is the intercept. Beta naught is the intercept, and beta 1 is the slope of regression model. Is the slope of regression model, and ei is the error term here. So the regression of sum of square, that means SSR, regression sum of squares, that is given by SSR equals to summation of yi cap minus y bar square. So where yi cap is the what? That is predicted value. Yi is predicted value, and for y for the ith observation, predicted value of y for the ith observation, and y bar is the mean of the observed values of y. Mean of the observed values of y. So here the predicted value yi cap from the regression equation is yi cap equals to beta naught cap plus beta 1 cap into xi. Okay, so substituting beta naught cap equals to y bar minus beta 1 cap x bar into yi cap. That means yi cap equals to y bar minus beta 1 cap x bar plus beta 1 cap xi. That means that means y bar plus beta 1 cap xi minus x bar. So therefore yi cap equals to y bar minus beta 1 x bar plus beta 1 cap xi. That means okay, y bar square, sorry, y bar beta, and sorry, after that step I am substituting y bar beta minus xi. So here will be the step substituting y bar beta minus xi into y bar beta minus xi. So therefore yi cap minus y bar equals to ये क्या होगा बीटा 1 cap xi minus x bar. Okay, so there regression sum of squares become SSR equals to summation of beta 1 cap minus xi minus x bar whole square. That means beta 1 square equal to summation of xi minus x bar square. So this proves the required expression. Now I am solving for part 2. Here there will be some values will be given, 10 observations. Okay, so estimate the parameters of beta naught and beta 1 assuming the positive correlation between x and y. Find the variance of beta naught cap and coefficient of determination. So how can I solve it? First of all, in part 2 we need to solve, पहले क्या solve करना पड़ेगा, beta 1 को calculate करना पड़ेगा. So the slope of beta 1 cap using beta 1 cap equals to s of xy divided by s of xx. So where s of xy equals to summation of xi yi minus 1 by n summation of xi summation of yi. So that means s of xx means xi square minus 1 by n summation of xi square. So let's compute. S of xx, that means s of xx means summation of xi square minus summation of xi whole square divided by n, that is equals to 2239 minus 139 square by 10. That means what will be the value for that? 2239 and 139 square means 1931931 by 10. इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें? 2239 minus 1932.1. so what will be the result? The result is 306.9. Now calculate the sxy. However, since summation of xi and yi is not provided directly, so you can use a general relationship or assume some approximation. Okay, general relationship or assume some approximation. So let's proceed. Beta 1 cap can be estimated using beta 1 cap equals to covariance of xy divided by variance of x. So using the fact that covariance of xy is a linear function of x and y variable, if not explicitly provided, so we will skip this explicit computation for now. For simplicity we proceed beta 1 cap equals to summation of s of xx into s of xy divided by s of yy divided by s of xx. So what will be the result here? 306.9 into 22.801 by 306.9. So calculate the SYY. Calculate now SYY. So what will be the value? इसका value कैसे निकाले? That means summation of yi square minus summation of yi whole square divided by n. That means 423.49 minus 63.3 whole square by 10 SYY equals to 423.49 sorry 423.49 minus 4006.89 by 10. That means 423.49 minus 400.689 400.689. So what will be the result here? For that means 22.801. okay, so after that finally beta 1 cap, that means 306.99 into 22.801. this value can be putted on that way, on this position, okay, divided by 306.9. so what will be the result? That means 699 sorry 6994.209 by 306.9. that means that is result approximately to 0.2725. now step to calculate beta not cap, that means y bar minus beta 1 cap into x bar. okay, so calculate the y bar and x bar here. Y bar means 63.3 by 10, that means 6.33, and x bar means 139 by 10, that means 13.9. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इस वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेंगे. so beta naught cap, that means 6.33 minus 0.2725 into 13.9, that means 6.33 minus 3.789.75, that means 2.54025. now we can calculate the variance of beta bar not cap. Variance of beta not cap, that means क्या आएगा, sigma square into 1 by n plus x bar square by s of xx, where sigma square is the variance of, ये क्या है, error term का variance है, variance of error term. so इसका वैल्यू क्या है, सिग्मा स्क्वायर मीन्स समेशन ऑफ वाई आई माइनस वाई आई कैप स्क्वायर by n minus 2. that means 3.26758, that means 0.4808375. तो अब वेरिएंस ऑफ बीटा कैप क्या निकलेगा? वेरिएंस ऑफ बीटा कैप, बीटा नॉट कैप means 0.408375 into 1 by 10 plus 13.9 square divided by 306.9. ओके, that means क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? 0.408375 into 0.7279, sorry 7297, that means 0.298. Now you can calculate the coefficient of determination r square. The coefficient determination r square is calculated as r square equals to 1 minus SAC by SST. Okay, so where SAC is the sum of squared error of residual sum of square, sum of ये क्या है? Sum of squared errors, where residual sum of squares, residual sum of squares, and SST का मतलब क्या है? टोटल सम स्क्वायर. SST का मतलब है टोटल सम स्क्वायर्स. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट, ये है इसका मतलब. सो आफ्टर दैट SSC क्या वैल्यू क्या है? समेशन ऑफ yi माइनस yi कैप स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 3.267. और SST का वैल्यू क्या है? समेशन ऑफ yi माइनस y bar square, that means 22. So that can be written as in that way, sorry, is of yy, that means 22.801. अगर इस वैल्यू को हम लोग पुट कर दे तो क्या आएगा? r square equals to 1 minus 3.267 by 22.801, that means 1 minus 0.1432, that means 0.8568. So that will be the answer. तो estimated intercept beta not cap क्या निकला? 2.54, sorry 2.54025. estimated slope क्या निकला? बीटा 1 कैप 0.2725. और वैल्यू ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट मतलब वेरिएंस ऑफ बीटा नॉट कैप ये क्या निकला? 0.298. एंड आर स्क्वायर का वैल्यू क्या निकला? 0.8568. So these values provide a compute understanding of the linear regression model for the given data. तो that's all about that. अगर आपने इस वीडियो का अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए और शेयर कर लीजिए अपने दोस्तों से, फैमिली से, और हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब बटन में भी क्लिक कर लीजिए. ओके, and click on the bell icon also for latest video update. So thank you. we'll meet you in next session soon. Goodbye.